Hi everyone, it's Anna again with Pink Monarch Prints. I'm here with our January journal that we've been working through. I have loved this kit. I really have. I hope you've been enjoying it too. If you don't have it and would like to craft along, I will put the links down below in the description. So feel free to check that out. I'm just doing a couple of the past days, some really quick videos on just some easy layouts that you can do using the supplies right in the kit. So go ahead and give it a shot if you want to try it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with today's layout. So this is going to be a really easy and fun one because it kind of comes in the kit as a mini project. So pretty much everything you need is already in the kit. We're going to be working with this page. It has a lot of little pockets and bits on it, but this is meant to just be kind of like a fun trifold that you can add some pockets and some little tags and some ephemera to. So we're going to go ahead and just get started. But because this is a bigger element, I already know I want to be able to have a pocket to tuck this into when we get it all put together. So for me, I'm going to use this tag as a pocket. This is just a neutral tag. All of this is printed on a lightweight cardstock, and I did use one of the neutrals in the kit to print on the back. But I want to turn this into a pocket, and I want to add a cute little charm that will dangle down from here. So I want that part to be extra thick. So we'll get to that part soon, but for now we can just turn it into a pocket. So we just need to do something up there because that edge is going to hang over the edge, and then we're going to come up like this, and we just created our pocket. For me, I'm going to line the fold of that tag up with this edge of the page. All right. So I'm going to let that dry, and while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and start with our fold. So again, this is a lightweight cardstock. I use 110 pounds. I've cut it out, I've inked it, and I'm ready to just kind of put it together. If you want, you could glue that into a journal and have it open up like this or like this and have it directly glued into the journal, or you can do what we're doing and just tuck it in. You could do it as an over the page piece, so it would hang on like that and open up, and then on this side it would have to be glued down enough that it would hold it in place, so you could possibly create like a little tuck right here and glue those parts down. So lots of fun options with this little folder mini folio thing. So let's go ahead and just get started. This is going to be the front. So on this piece, I just want to probably do maybe a fun sticker or a fussy cut. I do have these beautiful circles. I'm wondering if they're too, ooh, it would fit. I want one. I think I want this little bird. But I think I just want to put that right on the front of my tag. Trying to keep that as centered as I can. But I mean, that'll just be a really fun, pretty thing to look at. All right, so now we can go ahead and add our pockets wherever we want. You could do it coordinating like this. I got all of those prints if you want them coordinating. It's kind of cute. I don't usually go for matchy, but I'm gonna do it. I like it. Why not? And then of course you have, oh, I feel like that's upside down, but that's okay because I already glued it, so it's gonna happen. Yes, and also I have some extras and tidbits you could add to the front of your pockets. And of course I also have an extra pocket because I made 4 And that can go on the back on one of the journaling areas, or you can just leave them blank as a journal area. I really hope I didn't just glue that pocket upside down. Okay, I didn't. Hooray. All right, so we just have some little pockets on there. This also includes a ton of these just little tags. You could add pulls to the top or ribbons or whatever, where you can just stick them in there. I made them long and skinny just because it fits the pages better. I have a lot in this kit. All right, for fun, I have these cute circles if you want to add a little extra here. Or you could add a fussy cut and 2 circles, which I like that. Any chance I have to use a butterfly, right? And this is just really decoration. You could do other things as well. Now, because I am tucking this in, I can decorate all 4 of these. None of them are going to be glued down. So we do have an additional pocket here. I'm going to go ahead and put that down. I bent that one. Let's see, I feel like that should be the top. And now I just have to decide where I want it. Go ahead and do that. I have a cute little tag that would fit in there. But I still have some of these as well. Go ahead and put that in there too. And I have this beautiful lady. I can put her down. Oh, it would look good. That would look cool. I think I'm gonna do it, and I think I'm gonna turn it into a pocket. I really like her against that blue. But now I have to let that kind of dry because I'm gonna turn this into a pocket. Because I do have 2 additional journaling cards left. All right, now another collage over here would be fun with one of these keys. I like this one. I think I'm going to put it here. Try not to bend that top. There we go. And what would look good on there is some stamping. Where did we put our stamps? There they are. Love it. I should probably get my little block with this long skinny stamp. Let's just hope that stays on there. They kind of lose their stickiness after time if you don't take great care of them. All right, there we go. And maybe I'm thinking that would look cool. This would be cool for just some journaling, but I do have, you could just put a journaling card down. I have a journaling sticker That would look really nice. Maybe. I like it. Oh, I've been trying to find a good spot for this rose. This might be it. Oh, or that. Nope, I think it's this. I think I'm gonna do it over here. And maybe put a little reflect. There we go. All right, so very quick, very easy, very beautiful. Let's bring this down. This is gonna get tucked into that pocket. It's a pretty chunky piece, so just keep that in mind. That's why I gave this a good long time to dry. And I wanna go ahead and add a charm to the front of this. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna glue that down. And now I'm gonna do it so it hangs over the edge of that page, but now it's reinforced with that little extra circle, which is always a nice thing. And this will be cool because it'll hang out of the journal. So you'll have a cute little charm dangling out. Oh, is this too big? No, I love it. I'll see if I can make it work. I love that thing. I have to find my jump rings. I do have smaller charms. Sometimes you just want a big chunky charm. I think I'm gonna need a big one and a smaller one. Woo. So many cute ones. But this big one is the one that gets to go here. These are not as hard as it looks on video, but when I'm trying to stay in video, then they're tricky. Trying not to get in your way too much. Come on, there we go. Maybe. I could get my little pliers and then get this little guy on there. All right. So now we have a cute little charm hanging off of there. I feel like I could add maybe a paper accent or something, but I don't want to add much because I already have this big kind of chunky thing sticking in that pocket. So I don't feel like I really need to add anything more to that page. Oh, I think maybe lace would look cute. Would that look cute? Let's try. Uh-oh. How did I do that? And this will just add a little extra accent. Why not? I think I'm going to do it right here, just on this page. there we go. So just a really fun mini folio to add into your journal. I think it'll be one that you'll enjoy, and maybe I'll keep adding those into future kits if it's something that we have enough fun with. But there we go. So we're just working through our journal. We're getting close. We've got a lot in here. We've got a few pages left to go, but this is going to be a really fun journal when it's finished. So I will keep plugging away at this, and I hope you join me. We will talk to you later. Bye.